Hi to all beautiful people, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. Reduce forehead line. Let's do the asana which help to release all the unexpected stress that you're holding while frowning, surprising others. So let's do asana. First, meditate your body, close your eyes. Deep inhalation, exhale. Let's do the asana. First, we'll do forehead stretch pose. Raise your eyebrows up, place your hand, pull it upward, head down. Look center of your forehead. Be there 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now close your eyes and come back. This will activate your frontalis muscle, a big muscle, release all the unexpected stress that you are holding. Now let's do one more asana. This we call V forehead pose. So frown as much you can and with middle and index finger stretch it and hold for 10 seconds and feel the resistance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. 1. Amazing asana. Let's do one more pose. This is my favorite pose. This we call forehead stretch pose. Hold here, pull it upward and your thumb, placing your thumb here, pull it upward as much you can. You need to look up, close your eyes. Look up, close your eyes. Up, close. Side of your forehead, rotate. 1, 2. Reverse. 1, 2. And release. Amazing asana. Let's do one more pose. This is mindfulness pose. Really good pose. Just do it. Do along with me, guys. Hold here. Apply light pressure. 10 seconds. Apply light pressure. Swipe it gently. Side of your forehead, apply pressure, eyes close. With index finger, gently rotate your eyeball. Reverse. And release. Let's do a short recap of all the asanas which you need to follow. First is forehead stretch pose. Raise your eyebrows up, hold, head down, eyes close, come up. V forehead pose, frown, stretch. Second, forehead stretch pose 2, hold properly, look up, release. Mindfulness pose. And release. So these all poses are very easy and highly effective, guys. You can see a good result in just 3 days only. So what you're waiting for? Just do these poses and always stay healthy, happy and beautiful. See you again. Thank you.